Good morning, everybody, to another stats video. It's like the second week of May. No, sorry, not May. We in June. I'm bugging out. We in June, fellas, and time is here, man. If you're not fusing your stuff together and getting your show together, I don't know, you late this year. But me and my crew, NY crew, we doing it big this year, man. We doing it real big. Let's get it started. Got a full case of Funky Monkey. I'm 6'1". It's a nice cake, hardcore pyro. Got some more shells. Got some dogs. Full case of dogs. Gotta get my shell game together. You know, I had to pick these up. The unicorn logo on it. You already know what time it is. Freddy. What else I got over here? Let's see. I like those nightmares. Those nightmares is real nice. What's this we got here? Mad as a March here. Full case. Nice pickup. What else we got over here? Got Dino. Full case. 16 shots. It's a nice one. Full case of Dino. Beware Dog. Full case. Full case, Beware Dog. Had Virus T. I said I gotta get Beware Dog, brother and sister. I had to snatch this one up too. Candyland. '19 shot. Nice color, nice breaks. 6'1". Gotta love it. What else I got here? Whole case. Roman candles. Full metal jackets. Full case. Full case of those. What's this up here? Half a case of Fire Sale. It's a nice cake right here, man. We was shooting off some stuff the other day, and one of my fellow pyros had licked this off, and I was like, wow, what is that, man? Fire Sale. Fire Sale. Got a half a case of that. It's a nice one. Half a case. And last but not least, I got Thrillers. Got me a kit of Thrillers. Another unicorn brand. Let's get it. It's a nice. My first time having the Thrillers. So this is my little haul that I picked up today. I'm about to put another order in. Get some more stuff this week. And the next week, and the next week, and the next week. Every week until July 4th is here. And while crew is getting it in. You hear me? This is what we do. This is what we do, fellas. I appreciate all the comments, man. I appreciate it. I really do from the bottom of my heart, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. VA Pyro out.